Hello everyone, welcome back to the QA Automation Studio. We have started phase 2 and this is part 2.1, and here we are going to run our first Playwright test. Don't worry, this will be very easy and beginner friendly. If Playwright is already installed on your system, you are good to go. In this video, we will open a Playwright project, understand the default test file, and we will run the test using one command, and after that we will see the test result. That's it, no complex code. We will move slowly, we are not writing any code here. Number 1, open your Playwright project folder in VS Code. Go to the test folder. You will see file like example.spec.js. This file is created automatically by Playwright. Open this test file. You don't need to remember everything, all these things. Just understand, Playwright open a browser, goes to website, and it checks something on the page. That's all test does. We will write our own test in a later videos and use this command for run the test, npx playwright test. This test keyword refers to this test directory. So whatever inside the test directory, that will be executed using this npx playwright test command. So right now we have only one test file, so it will be executed only this file. So let's run our first Playwright test. After executing test, you will see passed text in a green color. That means Playwright is working correctly. So here, what is happening after executing test? A Playwright will open the browser, run the test, close the browser, and finally it will show the result in the terminal. Have you noticed there is no browser opened? So all this process happening in background. You will not see actual browsers here because we had run default command, that is npx playwright text. So by default Playwright run at headless mode. So we will see in upcoming videos how to run test in headed mode. So you will get your browsers. Second thing, have you noticed the given test file has only 2 tests? Then why we are getting 6 tests passed here? Basically, we have only 2 tests, but we are running those 2 tests in 3 different browsers like Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. So this is a Playwright default configurations. So in upcoming videos, we will see how to configure test at specific browser. Now let's see the result of our executed test. To see the result, we will use this command npx playwright show-report. It is very easy command. You will see here a test file name and the execution details. So as of now, in this video, we have seen how to run our first Playwright test using npx playwright test command. Then we had seen Playwright HTML report. So this is a big first step in automations. So don't try all now. We will move forward slowly. So let's see the today's video task. After run the test, how to open test result without using command npx playwright show-report. Don't use npx playwright show-report. In next video, we will discuss a given points. We will write and execute our own first test. After that, we will see a basic Playwright test syntax, and then how to open a website using a Playwright. After that, we will discuss how to run test on headed mode. Here you will get a browsers. And finally, we will see how to run test on a specific browser. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.